symmetry when two halves of an object are identical. When two halves of an object are identical. What we're going to talk about today is called line symmetry. Line symmetry is when an object is cut into equal halves by a line. The line is called the line of symmetry. So line symmetry, it's divided in half by a line of symmetry. Does our octagon have vertical line symmetry? You betcha. So there is vertical. Does it have horizontal line symmetry? I'm going to start at the upper corner here. That's just to the right of our line of vertical symmetry. Could I draw a line there and make a symmetric octagon? Okay, so there's one through the first corner. I'm going to move down to the next corner. Could I fold a line through there, making it symmetric? I'm going to go to the third corner. And then to the fourth corner. So now I've got a line going through each of the points, but where can I draw two more lines? There's two more of them. Where are they? So if you think my vertical has gone through half of the top and bottom side, and my horizontal has gone through half of the left and right side, which sides have I not gone through yet? So the side that's just to the right of the one at the top, I can go through those two. And then the one that's to the left of the top one. These are all called oblique, which oblique is just a fancy word for diagonal. So how many lines of symmetry did our octagon have? It was 8. We have oblique muscles. Does anyone know where those muscle groups are? No, you've never strained your obliques. It hurts when you do it. Obliques are along the rib cage. They start just under this rib and go along diagonally to the back of your hip. So you have obliques on each side. So it's when you twist funny and it hurts, that's your oblique muscles. So they go diagonally along the side. Here's the first skill you need to be able to do. Given a bunch of objects, a flag, a letter, a logo, a butterfly, whatever, let's draw the lines of symmetry. I don't know. This isn't butterfly season, though. I don't know. Are they out right now? I don't know. So let's start with the A. What I do is go through the 3. First, what I do is look vertically. If I draw a line through that, are the two sides exactly the same? So it definitely has vertical line symmetry. Then I check horizontally. If I put it right through the middle horizontally, are the two sides the same? Nope, point on the top, 2 feet on the bottom, not going to work. Then I check the sideways. If I go sideways this way, sideways this way, sideways any other way. So how many lines of symmetry does the letter A have? It has 1. It has 1 line of vertical symmetry. Let's check the D. If I go vertically, are the 2 sides the same?
No.
Horizontally?
No. Oh, yeah.
So I'm going to show you a trick on the exam. If you're not sure, put your ruler on that line of symmetry and physically fold your paper. And like on the exam, like seriously, fold the paper. And then you can look, do they actually overlap onto each other? Do they? Yes, this one does. So if you're not sure on the exam, fold the paper to find out. Okay, what about diagonal? No. We have a curvy part here. We're going to have a pointy part down here. This way? No. Same problem. Anywhere in between here? So how many lines of symmetry? 1 horizontal line of symmetry. Let's do the H. Does it have a vertical line of symmetry? Yes. Does it have a horizontal line of symmetry? Why, yes, it does. Fold it. What about diagonal? So I heard yes and no. Fight it out. If you fold it in half, it's not. And if you've got a part that's sticking up like this side of the H and you do a diagonal fold, it's going to end up pointing to the side. Is there anything down here pointing to the side? So that's what happens with diagonal. If it points up, it points to the side. If it points side, it points up, etc. So this one has 2. Turn and talk with someone. Figure out all the other ones. Tell me how many lines of symmetry they have.